Today on Let's Celebrate TV Cocktail Friday, we're making the Blood Orange Blossom Cocktail. Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today it's Cocktail Friday, and we're going to be making a Blood Orange Blossom Cocktail. Let's get started. Blood orange cocktail. What is a blood orange? These are blood oranges. They look just like regular oranges. Sometimes they'll get a little red hue in their skin, but let me cut one open for you. This is why they're called blood oranges, and they're delicious. They're sweeter than a regular orange, a little more floral, but they're wonderful. Now to make this cocktail, if you cannot find these, you can use regular orange juice, but look for them. They're really out this time of year in most really good grocery stores. I have my glass here. We're going to start off with gin, my favorite. 1.5 ounces, 45 mils. Next is Cointreau. This is an orange liqueur, a little fancier than triple sec, so I prefer it for cocktails like this. We just need 1 ounce or 30 mils. And then finally, this glorious blood orange juice, 1.5 ounces, 45 mils. Look at that color. I've got a shaker full of ice, so you know what's coming up next. It's shaky, shaky. Here we go. Now we need a cocktail glass and a strainer. I'm going to double strain this just to get any pulp out. It will be a little refined. Wow, look at that color. I'm going to garnish this. I have some of the rind, and you see this rind has the red in it from the blood orange. So I'm going to just squeeze that over and get some of those essential oils. It's amazing how that little bit will really just bump up that flavor. And now I have some supremes of blood orange. We have a basic skills episode that I'll leave the link to on how to supreme a citrus fruit. And this is just going to be my little garnish right inside. And maybe this little orange peel too. Why not? All right, let's give this a taste. That's really nice. The blood orange is so much more floral than a regular orange, and it's beefed up by that Cointreau. The gin is in the background, and its aromatics in it really blend well with the citrus. So you don't quite know you're drinking gin, so you gotta watch these, but it's delicious. I think I need another sip. All right, if you like this episode, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell, and you'll get a new episode every single week. Now, I've been filming all day. It's time for me to relax with my cocktail. While I do that, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. So until next time, cheers.